The Ensuring Nutrition, Transforming and Empowering Rural Farmers and Promoting Resilience in Zimbabwe Enterprise project is a 3-year project being funded by the United Kingdom Department for International Development, DFID, through the Food and Agricultural Organization of the United Nations, FAO. The program is being implemented by a partnership led by World Vision Zimbabwe and consisting of the International Crop Research Institute for Semi-Arid Tropics, ICRISAT, Mexico, and Farmer Association of Community Self-Help Investment Groups, FACEG. The project is designed to improve the food security and nutrition of 25,500 smallholder families in Mount Darwin and Gurue districts. The Enterprise project utilizes the Gender Action Learning System, GIRLS, a community-led empowerment methodology which uses the principle of inclusion to improve income, food, and nutrition security of vulnerable people in a gender equitable way in strengthening and establishing farmer groups. The Enterprise project aims to increase adoption of good agricultural practices and technologies by women and men farmers, improve organizational capacity and skills among women and men farmers to demand services, increase knowledge and awareness of diversified production of nutritious foods, including biofortified crops, preservation techniques, as well as post-harvest management technologies, increase nutrition knowledge and awareness of target communities on positive nutrition and health behavioral practices, improve linkages to import and output markets, enhance access to inclusive rural finance.
Enterprise partnership consists of World Vision as the lead agency, working closely with the International Crop Research Institute for Semi-Arid Tropics, ICRISAT, Mercy Corps International, and FACEG, the Farmers Association of Community Self-Help Investment Groups. As a joint consortium, this project is designed to address food security and nutrition of smallhold farmers in these two districts. And we do this through a number of different interventions. The first one is extension and advisory services. We are looking at complementing public and private extension services, in essence helping farmers learn how to improve their productivity through improved cropping techniques, planting techniques, as well as then looking at potentially how to link farmers to markets. So there's an critical component is within Zimbabwe right now is linking farmers with markets and different market actors. We are also complementing the work that's happening with the extension and advisory services and the linking with markets with nutrition. Nutrition is a significant and important component within the project, and we're looking at targeting mothers and young children in terms of looking at improving processing, consumption and production of nutritious foods for families. We are doing this through a number of different ways in terms of how the project works. It's community-based. We are leading demo plots, helping farmers develop demo plots in their different wards where they can come and learn on site, and that's a critical component of the program is helping farmers learn in their own context, not learning in classrooms, but learning it from each other, learning on the ground. So there will be demo plots happening, there are demo plots happening at the ward level for farmers to learn from each other and learn on site about how they can plant better, how they can space better, how different inputs and different applications can improve productivity, because we really need to see an increase in productivity and yields for smallholder farmers here in Zimbabwe. We also are looking at helping farmers with internal savings and lending associations or ISELs, and these groups basically help communities learn how they can save money amongst each other and loan to each other to also increase productivity and meet other needs they may have. So we also have a component happening with FACEG, helping these groups develop these savings clubs so that they can actually access loans.
Enterprise has various intervention areas including 1. Extension and advisory services, strengthening and supporting existing public and private extension systems, strengthening farmer-to-farmer extension, as well as promoting mobile-based extension methods, promoting climate-resilient agriculture, post-harvest handling and storage techniques. 2. Market development, provision of marketing information to farmers, linking farmers with viable input and output markets, facilitating inclusive access to financial services, building on internal savings and lending. 3. Nutrition, promoting production, processing, and consumption of nutritious foods, raising awareness on food safety and utilization of nutritious, locally available foods, supporting community infant and young child feeding promotion and care through caregiver groups, supporting food security and nutrition committees.
Enterprise is one of its main aims of reduction of stunting, as they support government to reduce malnutrition, which is a very big problem in Zimbabwe, and they have chosen to use the care group model as a vehicle to push behavior change. They want to promote behavior change in the areas of infant and young child feeding and wash and storage, as well as preservation of food crops. It is a model which works to promote behaviors. And the Enterprise has chosen that because they realize that they cannot achieve their outcomes without changing behaviors of community members. One of them is exclusive breastfeeding. The performance of exclusive breastfeeding has been very low in Zimbabwe. And for a long time, we've been trying to improve exclusive breastfeeding with very little results. So an approach like the care group approach is going to help facilitate adoption.
By implementing this care group model, we're going to reach almost every mother that is pregnant and also that is lactating, and so that they've got the adequate and appropriate information concerning nutrition. And at the end of the day, we want also to make sure that this model reduces stunting that at the moment stands at 25.2 here in Guru and also at 35.2 in Mount Down.
It will be accepted more because the chosen person will be of the same culture and of the same norms and values from the community, so it can be taken up easily by the members around.
In addition to the care group model, the project is promoting farmer-to-farmer extension and learning through farmer field schools and lead farmer groups.
The extension methodology had a gap, so we are improving on that by bringing in the farmer field school methodology. And the farmer field school methodology is whereby you empower farmers to make their own decisions.
Livestock farmers have the problem on maintenance of their livestock. You will find that during the winter season, most of them, they fail to feed their livestock. And as a result, during the winter season, the condition of the livestock is very poor. So this is a means by which farmers will benefit to feed their livestock during the winter season, so that they improve production.
Murimo wanofarira kufidha mombe. Ndakakufarira kuona kuti chirongwa chawo ichi chichandibatsira kuti mashanga mazhinji angachiparara dzisingadyese. Zvino urongo hwavo ndaona kuti mashanga ese anenge ndachengeta dzichakunda kudya mashanga ese mombe kunze kuti dzingodya mashanga mashomana dzisiya mamwe. Saka urongo hwacho ndaona uri kutondibatsira zvokuti.
Agritechs and livestock extension workers and enterprise staff were trained on the farmer field school methodology over a 3-week period, which included establishment of a practice demo where participants had the opportunity to put into practice what they had learned. Farmers are also being linked to new market opportunities with the project, facilitating contract arrangement for farmers to produce mangben, a new crop in the target areas. Under the arrangements, farmers are receiving agronomic training and extension support, ensuring they are able to produce maximum yields and returns on the crop. Mangben not only offers farmers an important new income stream, it is a short season variety crop which makes it appropriate for the variable rainy season that many farmers face as the climate is changing.
Chirongwa chemangbeans chakauya gore rino chatambochirima, asi nekuda kwekuti chinhu hachirambwe kana chauya munzvimbo, tiri kugashira chirongwa chekurimwa kwemangbeans kuti tione kuti mune ramangwana tichapunduka sei, zvine pundutso here kana kuti hazvina. Takati hatigone kuramba sechirimwa chiri kutangisa kuuya, asi kuti zvinhu zviedzwa kana taedza takaona kuti zvabudirira mune ramangwana takuwedzera ndima.
Basa